Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to play high quality video on YouTube, how to increase YouTube video quality. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open YouTube and tap on right bottom your profile icon. After that you have to again click on top right setting icon. Now here you have to click on video quality performance. Now here you have to click on high picture quality and enable it. Here you are seeing picture quality video, so you guys have to enable it. After that, on the second step also you have to enable high picture quality. In the second step also you have to select your high picture quality. Now whatever video you play, you will see it in high quality HD. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.